Hello. As you can see, the weather is not so summery, let's say. It's a bit rainy all week, and I wanted to do this outside, but I can do it inside too. Back button focusing. You have a shutter button, and it normally does the focusing bit and the shutter release bit. And you can divide it up in shutter, and this one is the focus button then. For studio and that kind of stuff, I always do back button focusing, and the reason is that I want to sometimes focus and recompose, and sometimes I just it's more enjoyable for me to work that way. So how do you set that up? You go to the I, press I, then you go, let me see if I can show that. Yeah, go down and it says assign AFL button. When you go in it, I already have set that up. Press AF on, go there, press AF on, and that's all you need to do. Now, let's see if I can show that. If you do this, it doesn't focus, it doesn't do anything. And now it does. If you go here, you can see it just focuses, and I can take a picture if I want. So that's basically everything I wanted to share about back button focusing. If you haven't set that up on your D750, try it, mess around with it for a couple of days, and you will really love the way that works. So yeah, that's it for me. Next video this afternoon. Thank you. Bye bye.